Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. So in this video I am going to show you how to log out your Facebook account from multiple devices with one click. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, open any browser and log in your Facebook account. So after you have logged into your Facebook account, now click on this right side. You will see one drop down arrow. Just click on it, and after that you click on setting. Now in the setting, click on security and login. Now in the security and login, under the heading where you are login, here you will see the device name of the device and the location which you have recently logged in. So now click on the see more to see all the devices which you have currently or recently logged in using your Facebook account. So to if some device you have logged in but you have forgot to log out from this device, then you can log out from this interface. To log out from all the device, now scroll it. At the below you will see an options called log out of all sessions. By clicking all in this options, your Facebook account will be logged out from all the devices that were used to log in currently or you have logged in recently. So now click on logout. So now you can see here where you were logged in, now showing only active login device. So your account is now signed out from all the multiple devices. So in this way you can log out your account from the multiple devices. So I hope you'll like this video and the information. So if you are finding this video useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.